All right, guys, today's an exciting day. I've been waiting 2 months for these wheels and they finally arrived. So today we're gonna unbox them and you're gonna see what the new rear rims for the 46 look like. There they are, 3030 Autosport. If you haven't heard of this company, it's because they're relatively new. When I ordered these, I actually got a hold of the owner. Had a really good talk with him and he actually filled me in on how they got started, when they got started. This company started up around the COVID era. So they're relatively new. I'm super pumped about these wheels because they had way more options when ordering than any other manufacturer I looked up. And I looked up everybody, you know, Weld, Billet Specialties, RC Comp. I looked at all these guys and price-wise, they were all pretty much the same. So now you have to narrow it down to what style do you like, who offers the proper fitment, which some of them did not. These guys had every size, every back spacing, and like 30 different colors to choose from. So I'm gonna show you what I chose. I hope it's what I imagined it would be. I've never purchased a wheel like this. So we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Feel like it's already pre-assembled. I think it's all one piece right now. Please don't fall off. Allen key. Not quite sure what that's for yet. Definitely pre-assembled. Maybe that's how they all come, I don't know. Never bought a bead lock before. Yeah. All right, guys, check this out. Look at that. That is transparent copper. That's what I went with. Black and transparent copper. Single bead lock. Try to get that off. Let's see if I get it off without gouging it up. I don't think I'm gonna use a knife. All right, got it unwrapped. A little bit of saran wrap still inside the bead lock, but I'll get that out shortly. But that's it right there. Single bead lock, 12-inch wide. It is a 3-piece wheel, so that's just a sealant. But yeah, absolutely love it. Look at that. 2 inches wider than the old wheels. It's like jewelry. The back's as nice as the front. Now, there were other options for the bolts. There were stainless bolts and I think zinc. And I really wasn't sure what color to go with, so I just chose black. I might change that out in the future, but for now I just left the black ones in. But I am loving the copper. Just because when I picked the other wheels for this truck, which are these guys, you know, just the Jags black and machine finish wheels. I'm still gonna run these. These are my street wheels. I still have those. Obviously the The racing ones are cooked, but I'm still gonna keep these for the street. But everybody's got them. You go to the track, the Jegs wheels are a very popular wheel. They're not bad for what you pay. They're a cheap wheel and they look nice for what they are. But everyone's got them. And my biggest reason for buying a wheel like this was I was exceeding the limits of those wheels. I was spinning the rim inside the tire, so I needed a bead lock. So this is my bead lock. And I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna go for a different flavor. I'm not gonna do the machine finish with the black. We're gonna do copper and black. And this will be my race wheel. Now, I don't have fronts. Not in the budget. Maybe in a year's time, I will be able to swing changing the fronts out. But yeah, these rims aren't cheap. Bead locks are not cheap. So, you know, baby steps. I can make do with the Jegs fronts for now. And yeah, we're just gonna rock these babies. I say they're just for the street or for the strip, but they might see the odd street as well. But I just can't stop looking at it. Like, I'm pumped. I wish my axles were in. My axles are getting the 5/8 studs put in them, so they're at the machine shop still. I should have them soon. So I can't mount these up on the truck just yet to see how badass they look. But these already have the 5/8 holes. So I'm gonna attempt right now for the first time to mount my tires up on them. And because I'm heading to buddy's shop in the morning, so I'm gonna take all my wheels over there. I'm gonna get these ones balanced and get him to throw my new fronts on. That's my new rim. So he's gonna mount those up for me. And I'm gonna see if I can put these on myself tonight. You have no idea how nervous I am to even put a power tool to this. So worried about marking them up, but it's gonna happen. It's got the knurled edges, which I believe is pretty standard. We'll see how easy it is to slip a tire over it. I actually had to check, and yes, these ET Street Pro radials are directional. I wasn't sure if they would be, but they are. there she is. Pop will get you every time. Mint. See that? A little bit of stretch to her. It's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. All right, I just had to see what it'll look like. Gotta kind of sit in place. That looks awesome. This thing, this truck. This thing looks like a weapon. There's no bad angle. Look at that, any angle. Looks killer. Yeah, I can't be any more pumped about these wheels. Like I said, 3030 Autosport, go check them out. Awesome, awesome wheels. Just gorgeous. But that's it for this video. Just a quick, I could not show you guys these wheels. Like, I've been waiting 2 months for them. They're finally in. Not disappointed at all. Just awesome wheels. So that's it for this video. We'll see you guys next time.